The moon is no longer a destination. It's a gateway to a secret 4 billion year old archive. While the world watches the Artemis rockets ignite, NASA isn't just returning to the lunar surface to plant flags. They are racing to the South Pole to unlock a time capsule of solar history buried in permanent shadow. Information that has been shielded from the sun since the dawn of our solar system. The real mission isn't just about how we get there, but what has been waiting there for us in the dark. The Artemis program is officially billed as humanity's return to the moon. But looking at the recent shifts in NASA's architecture, it's clear the agency is no longer just repeating the 1960s. They are building a permanent gateway to the deep solar system. On the surface, Artemis is about establishing a long term presence. Unlike the Apollo missions, which were brief sorties, Artemis aims to build a sustainable habitat. Artemis 2, just completed in April 2026, this mission sent 4 astronauts, including the first woman and first non American, on a record breaking 252,756-mile flyby to test life support systems. NASA is fixated on the lunar South Pole. It's a harsh, jagged landscape, but it contains permanently shadowed regions, PSRs, craters that haven't seen sunlight in billions of years. Hash's shadows hide massive deposits of water ice. This isn't just for drinking, it's for in situ resource utilization, breaking water into hydrogen and oxygen to create the first deep space refueling station for missions to Mars. Now, let's talk about the unspoken more to the story. While the public focus is on rockets and moon to Mars logistics, several strategic pivots hint at a much more complex agenda. The South Pole isn't just a gas station, it's a 4 billion year old archive. Because the ice in those dark craters has never been touched by the sun's radiation or heat, it contains a pristine record of the early solar system. Scientists suspect it holds the chemical blueprints for how life began on Earth. NASA's rush to the pole is a race to claim this data before it is contaminated by other nations. Recently, NASA made the massive decision to shelve plans for the Lunar Gateway space station in favor of going straight to the surface. This pivot suggests an urgent need to establish lunar sovereignty and operational control on the ground, likely in response to the growing lunar ambitions of China's Chang'e project. Hidden within the missions is the Lunar Codex, a massive digital and physical archive of human culture, art, and literature being sent to the moon. It's as if NASA is preparing for a future where the moon serves as a backup drive for humanity, preserving our identity in a location that is geographically and politically isolated from Earth. The real goal of Artemis isn't just a landing, it's the transformation of the moon into an indestructible library and a launchpad for a civilization that no longer relies on Earth's atmosphere to survive. I want you to share your own theories or thoughts in the comments and to subscribe for more videos that uncover hidden truths.